For composing website content and for email messages, some folks like to use Microsoft Word or some other editor to compose their text and then paste it in. Now, in many cases, this works just fine, but sometimes we can run into some problems, and I will show you how to solve that. So, for example, here we have not this one. Here we have some highly formatted text in Microsoft Word. And we'll copy it and go back to our website and paste. Well, that seemed to work pretty well. However, if we go down here, show plain text, we find that Word has inserted a bunch of interesting formatting in here. Special classes and styles and so on. And this might work fine on my computer, but it might not work so well on yours. Yours may attempt to interpret these font names in a different way than on mine. So it's much safer if we have very clean HTML in our message. So how do we get that? It turns out there are some sites on the web that will help you out with this. This is one of them. It's wordtocleanhtml.com. I like it because it's really pretty simple. So what you do is you paste your document content in here. Let's probably still have it on the clipboard. Yeah, there it is. And then you can convert it with this button. And so here's the new HTML. Here's the original. And here's our preview. Now notice that we lost a little bit of formatting there, but better to put it back in than to rely on the formatting that we find in Word. So I'm going to Control A to select all the clean HTML here, and Control C to copy it. Back here, switch to show plain text. And then back to the HTML editor. As I said, we lost a little formatting, but rather than risk this not showing up well on other computers, we can just put it back in, pretty it up in any way that we want here. And again, if we look at our plain text, what we've got is very simple, clean HTML that's easy to deal with and will be compatible across a variety of computers and browsers.